let's cook.
So I was about to start making my boyfriend a special Valentine's Day dinner, but then I thought, how fun would it be if we cooked together? Anthony, we're making dinner together.
What are we making?
We're making two of your favorites, spicy vodka pasta and veal chopped parm.
That's gonna be so good. Check out these custom aprons.
Step one, let's make the sauce. We're using Carbone's spicy vodka sauce to make it taste just like the restaurant. The stove we go. Breaking out the heart-shaped pot for this.
Smells good already.
Add in a cup of heavy cream. Turn this sauce from red to pink. As the sauce cooks, let's get the veal chop started. One for you and one for me. Grab your weapon of choice. Start whacking it. Looking good. Okay, now we gotta season it. Salt.
Some pepper.
Now we gotta set up our dredging station. Flour. Eggs. Breadcrumbs.
Parmigiano. Into the flour.
Now to the egg.
And lastly, the breadcrumbs.
Really press it in there. Put your back into it. Back to the stove. Perfect. In goes the veal chop. Now let's assemble it.
We're gonna sauce the bottom of the pan.
Add on the veal chops.
Now some more sauce to the top.
Fresh mozz. How do we have to slice it, Anthony?
Nice and thin.
Chef snack. Mozzarella. So that the bones don't burn, wrap it around. A little bit more Parmigiano. Is there ever enough cheese?
Never enough cheese.
Into the oven we go. When the pasta water is boiling, salt it like the sea.
And then add the pasta.
Save some of the pasta water.
Add a few pieces of pasta. The pasta's not gonna fit in here, so let's add it to a pan.
And then add back in the pasta. A little bit of butter.
Could have been a bigger pan.
The sound of love. Oh yeah. All right, your turn.
All right.
I'm impressed. You deserve a little taste test.
All right. Just like rock carbone.
Really?
Really good.
I gotta taste this. Mmm.
That looks amazing. Finally, almost time to eat.
Here comes the pasta. Some more Parmigiano. A little bit of fresh basil. Boom, boom. These look so beautiful. Come on.
Gorgeous.
With our pasta, we've got a Carbone-worthy meal at home.
Absolutely.
Great job, amore. I love you.
I love you too.
Now let's go eat.
Buon appetito. A perfect dinner.